vlog? It's Patrick and welcome to my baking show. So today, we're gonna be doing a chocolate chiffon cake. So right now, I'm here with my group mates. Say hi.
Hi!
Yeah, so if you wanna know how to bake or how to make the chiffon cake, please keep on watching.
So these are the ingredients that we will be needed. As you guys can see, there's a 80 grams of white sugars in there. The 30 grams of sugar will be on egg yolks mixer and the 50 grams will be on meringue. The first step is adding the 4 egg yolks and 30 grams of sugar in a large bowl or a mixing bowl. And of course, add the oil and milk. And then after that, we will be sift the dry ingredients, which is the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. And then add the mixing flour to the egg yolk mixer. Now it's time to do the meringue. So the first thing first is you go add 4 egg whites in a separate bowl and then mix it until it gets soft. When it's getting soft, you gradually add the 50 grams of white sugar. Just keep on mixing until it gets foamy. Right after that, go ahead and add it in the egg yolk batter and mix it well.
So that is for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something about this tutorial, and you can also check the recipes down in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And so again, I am Patrick.
And I am Lovely. I'm Ella. And I am Jenna. And I am Rency.
Bye! See you!